And instead of just going around and pointing at stuff, I think the best way to show you just how cool this room is to show you the 4 key rules that we've made sure we followed and why those have paid off big time. So this is going to seem like a really strange thing to say, but number 4 is neutrality. We first came into this thing wanting to plaster the entire room with a rainbow of bold colors. And if that's your thing, then you should by all means go for it. But the reason that I'm so glad we ended up keeping all the key pieces, the rug, the chairs, the sofas, all a little bit more reserved, is that we can re-theme this room whenever we want to. So you can see right now we've got a blue theme going on here, right? Well, not anymore. All we have to do is to swap a couple of plushies and the whole mood of the room changes. And there's 2 pieces of tech that are making this retheming so easy. The first is the Philips Hue lights, for which we've got the 2 irises we bought in this cabinet. We've got the floor standing lamp in the corner over there. And then beneath the sofa, the Philips Hue light strip. And I've got to say, if you were just going to do one of these, get the sofa light. This one strip makes such a difference to the vibe of this room. I mean, it's mood lighting, while also elevating the design of your sofa. Literally. The thing half looks like it's floating. I guess because you would expect there to be shadow beneath that, so when instead you see light, it makes it look weightless. We found that the floor lamp is a little bit more situational. You need to have a corner that you can stick it into, you need to have matching walls so that it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb, and you need to have a nearby plug socket so that it doesn't create a mess. But do all of that, and I think it does add enough of a kick of color to be worth the hassle. The Philips Hue irises are somewhere in between the 2. I'd say they look just as gorgeous as I was hoping they would. And I also love how the way that they're angled upwards means that they give you both lighting at eye level, but also lighting on the ceiling above you, which means that together with the lights underneath the sofa, you're kind of surrounded by whatever color theme we decide to go for. Only thing I would say is, given how much of a chungus this light actually is, it's not putting out a whole lot of light. It could be a little brighter. And again, so could I. And then the second part of this theming equation is the Samsung Frame TV. And having used this for a little bit of time now, I have thoughts.